Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Good morning, welcome to the Forex Daily Video Research. Today the October 12th, and we will start from the we will talk about euro currency and start from the bit larger picture on the weekly time frame, because it has the context for the possible price action on the lower time frames such as daily. Well, many of you guys asked me about the possible perspective of this currency, and will euro is ready for the total reverse to the downside, or should it continue to move to the upside? And I decided to share with you my thoughts about it. Well, there is some important moments on the larger time frames that makes me think that euro should continue to move, but in the longer term. But currently, pair should show some retracement to the downside, and here's why. First of all, look at this. ABC bottom pattern. Market has reached 618 and directly accelerates to the 100% expansion around 140.50 area roughly. Also, I just want to remind you that in this area 134.60, 135.44 was the strong weekly confluence resistance area. Also, as you can see, this dash line, this is the monthly pivot resistance 2 for the September, and market has passed through it like hot knife through the butter without any respect of this level. This is a really strong move, and usually when market accelerates without any respect in the intermediate Fibonacci resistance area directly to 100% expansion and hit weekly overbought condition right here, this is the blue line that shows us the overbought, usually after some retracement to the downside it should reach 1618 expansion of this ABC bottom pattern around 150. This is the next target, and I think that market should reach it in the longer term perspective. In the shorter term, however, look at this. Market had reached 618 resistance from this high to this low, clear it out, wash and rinse, and move below it. Also, market has reached 100% expansion on the weekly time frame, hit monthly pivot resistance 1, so this is rather strong resistance. And now I suppose that market should show some retracement to the downside. Personally, I think that there could be two possible areas of supports that market should reach during these retracements. First area is 134.58 Fibonacci support, first area of support, but the point is not in just this level. The point is in the totally disrespected area of resistance that market erased during move to the upside. Very often when market absolutely disrespected very strong resistances, it revisits it after the starting of retracement to the downside, and this previous resistance directly around area of first nearest Fibonacci support area around 134.58. Also, this was the previous target 618, so this first area that I think that market can reach during the retracement to the downside. The second area is the monthly pivot point and weekly confluence support 131.20, 131.85. This next strong area of support. I do not expect that market should show very deep retracement below this area of confluence support, so I think that the fastest, the more extended area of retracement is this confluence support, but I think that market probably stop their retracement around this area. Maybe it will reach the monthly pivot around the previous highs, but this area should stop the market during retracement to the downside, and then market can reverse to the 150 area. This is my view on the longer term picture. Now, on the short term picture, we can see perfect thrust to the upside. Market hit the target and strong area of resistance weekly and monthly overbought condition. So we can expect a couple of the possible scenarios right here. First scenario is the bread and butter, Jordan Apple bread and butter trade, when the market will show some meaningful retracement to the downside, and usually when the market retraces during the rallies, it retraces to the weekly pivot support 1. This is around 136.83. If we see some retracement to this area, and on the intraday charts we will see some reverse, some bullish signs, some railroad tracks, some double repos on the lower time frame, some bullish engulfings on something, we can enter on the long side in continuation of this move with the target of 618 resistance from this high to the possible this low if this retracement will stop right here. This is the first possible scenario. The second scenario, this could be the double repo top, the sell signals, directional sell signals. If market will close below this green line, this is the 3x3 moving average, then without any meaningful retracement to the downside, if market, for example, close right here, then it will show a move to the upside, and possibly it will establish the new highs. That is preferable but not necessary. Close above the 3x3, then reverse back and close below. This second close below the 3x3 will be the confirmation of this reverse to the downside sell signal. It will lead to some strong move to the downside, possibly right to this 134.63 target of the weekly Fibonacci support area. This will be retracement in the way of the Jordan Apple double repo sell pattern. Also look at this thrust. Do you see any meaningful retracement during this move to the upside? I do not see any. It means that the bulls were strong in charge. They didn't necessarily to trouble about their profits because there was no solid retracement to the downside. It means that if market will start to show some move, strong move to the downside, this will be just like a fire, because all the stops that was close tied to the previous highs will be triggered by the market, and they add fuel to the possible move to the downside. If this will be the double repo and it will work perfectly, the move to the downside will be really strong. And I think that the nearest target of this move around 134.50 area right here. This will be possible the retracement in the weekly time frame and the daily time frame. So that's been said, I expect that on the daily time frame market can show some of the two directional signals. The first directional signal is the bread and butter. If market will show some deep retracement to the downside, for example till the weekly pivot support 1 around 136.83, then possibly we can enter on the long side with the target 618 resistance from this high to this low, if this low will be right here. If it will be below this, so you can calculate this Fibonacci resistance by yourself, as this will be the target. If market without showing any solid retracement to the downside will show close below the 3x3, then above, then again below, and close below this green line, this will be Jordan Apple double repo sell, and I think that the target of this move could be around 134.50 area, the nearest target. Possibly market will show some continuation till the levels that we discussed on the weekly time frame. So this is kind of price action that I expect in the nearest term. In the long term rather, I think that after this retracement market can show the continuation of the move to the upside, and the next target I suppose around 150.